Hello, my lovelies. Melissa from Metropolitan Cosmetics. Novexpert has brought out 3 products that have become my favorites. The one on the left is the Protective Rich Cream, the Extra Rich Cream, and the SOS Ultra-Nourishing Mask. The 2 creams are 990 Rand each. They are 40 ml, and the mask is 770. As we know, everything about Novexpert features certain attributes that are important to us. Firstly, the product is 100% natural, vegan, organic, hypoallergenic, made in France, safe for pregnant women, and extremely high in the active compounds that we will discuss. The yellow line is firstly full of sunshine. And it's full of sunshine, I'll tell you why. To the degree or level to which it will make you happy. So I'm expressing to you the value of this product. We all knew the Booster Omega Serum, which is omegas 3, 6, 5, 7, 9, all 5 of them, it's unheard of, in a micromolecular format to be able to drill down deeply into the dermal layer. Why now 3 more products? What's going on? What's going on is this. If one wants to have a face like a baby, let us understand what a baby has, and let us then give ourselves those attributes. And that is what Novexpert has done. When a baby is born, that miraculous protective fluid that embalms the baby has been bioidentically mimicked in these 3 products. Remember, they are vegan, organic, and 100% natural. How have they done it, and what is it, and what can we expect from it? So the omegas are 5, 3, 6, 9, 5, 7, derived from very specific organic oils, sea buckthorn, SACHA itchy, and last but not least, pomegranate. Besides the feature of those omegas that are bioidentical to that protective fluid, we have vitamins A, C, E, the vitamin E complex or tocopherol with tocotrienol, alpha, beta, gamma, delta. My ears are pricking. NOVAXYLINE algae, miracle broth, collagen synthesizing anti-aging, aloe to calm down. What a magnificent multi-comprehensive spectrum. I used them all. They are so clever. The cream extra rich. It's a twisty story. And then you depress. It's quite thick. But once it's on, I have never seen a balm go in so beautifully. And I'll tell you this, I use this one at night, but it would be a perfect makeup primer as well. You see, I don't want to waste the precious. The tube is the same attributes, however, in a finer texture, nothing left out. A finer texture. I like to use that one for the day and the richer one at night. As I say, you want to look like a baby? You've got to get the baby protective film cream. You want to look like a baby? Listen to me. This is the baby advice. Face like a baby. Face like a baby. Now we discuss the next thing. SOS. I have tried many hydrating masks. You can put them on. I've tried many. I've tried vitamin masks, A, C, E, etc. Sleep with it on, they say. I don't see much of a difference. You're going to see a difference. SOS Ultra-Nourishing Mask. You know, even people that have crocodile skin. That's not something to be proud of. Crocodile skin that is leathery, dry, environmentally aggressed. The same active, but souped up with additionals, souped up with hospital grade vitamin E. Burn technology is in this. Safflower, sunflower, more omega-3, 6, 7, 9. Kokum butter, extra shea butter. And by the way, there's shea butter, squalene, and jojoba in all of this. How to do? I like to use the microbiotic gentle scrub from Novexpert first. It's beautiful, and it also calms down any redness. I then will place the mask all over the face. I put it on the cheekbone area and on the brow bone area. On the eyes, I often put my Zellen's eye cream during the whole process. You can leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. I don't. I sleep with it on, and it is advocated to sleep with it on. Will not make the pillow greasy or anything of the sort. And then in the morning with your Babyface cleansing, you will cleanse. So this is the Babyface range, and I strongly suggest that you get it from Metropolitan Cosmetic Stores and on metrocosmetics.co.za. I'm in love, and I know you will be. See you soon.